Hello you guys and welcome back. So yes, this is definitely my BOXYCHARM video, but I just kind of wanted to introduce you guys to the newest member of our family. I've been wanting to do this video for a while, but it's just been hectic with the holidays and everything. So I just wanted to kind of tell you guys how this came about. We already have 3 cats and now we have 4 apparently. So definitely not in the plans. But I'm going to get into it and tell you guys where she came from. If you guys don't want to hear about it and just want to hear about the BOXYCHARM unboxing, fast forward to this right here. This here is little Kit Kat. Rewind to about, I think it was like the week after Thanksgiving. My husband was in the kitchen. He's like, Wendy, get in here. And I come running in and he sees this little kitten walking by our pool out back. And I was like, oh my gosh, who are you? So I went out there and she wouldn't let me near her. She was super skittish. She looked really sick. And she was tiny. Like at first when I saw her, I thought she was a little bit older, but then when I saw her up close, I'm like, oh my God, she's tiny. So I kept trying to get near her. I took her some food, some water, and she would not. Like anytime she saw me, she bolted. And so I was like, okay, well, we'll just kind of keep an eye on her and see if she, I mean, I don't know what to do with her at this point. I can't catch her. Hi, baby. Oh, she's so precious. So long story short, for about a week, she lived on our side patio. We're in Arizona, so it didn't get too cold at night, but it did get pretty cold. It got probably down into the 40s. So we kind of just set up some shelter for her because it did end up raining. My husband put up like a tarp and everything, so she had a safe, dry spot. And we would feed her, and and every day I would try to go out and get her, and she wouldn't let me near her still. I was worried about like coyotes or something getting her because, that happens out here. And I just, the thought of having her out there every night, just like, I hated it. So one day I crept up close enough and I snatched her up, and as soon as I grabbed her, she started purring. It was so sweet. Like she was so scared at first. But yeah, she's just the sweetest. So like I said, we have 3 other cats. So what I did was we snatched her up and my husband took her straight to the vet just to get checked out, make sure she wasn't sick. She did have ear mites, and so we had to quarantine her in my husband's office for about a week while she took medicine, and she did have a little fever, and she had like a cut on her head and she had broken teeth. So we have no idea where she came from. We don't know. My theory is that I think someone like threw her outside out of a car or something. Like, I don't know. How could you do that? How could they do that to you? You're just so cute. But yeah, we have no idea where she came from, but I don't know why she was by herself. But so she is in our family now. My daughter named her Kit Kat, and she's just the sweetest. She really, really is. She's actually going in tomorrow for her surgery to get spayed so that there's no more kittens, because we don't need any more. But yeah, she's so sweet. Oh my gosh. So this is Kit Kat. You might see her in some of the upcoming videos, I'm sure, because she's very curious and very playful, and she always wants to know what I'm doing. Huh? You're so sweet. Oh, I got cat hair all over my lips. So, like I said, this is the January BOXYCHARM. I know absolutely no spoilers. I haven't looked at it. I haven't even opened it yet. I'm opening it right now. I don't think I got a choice option for this month either, so I really have no idea what's in here. Okay, so as always, it comes with a card that tells you what is in it and how much it is and everything. This is the card. I don't want to... Uh-oh, something smells. I hope it didn't leak. It smells good though, citrusy. So this one is so fresh and so clean. If you guys are not familiar with BOXYCHARM, I will link it down below in the description box if you want to check it out. This video is not sponsored. I pay for this with my own money, and you will get my honest opinion. So the first thing I'm seeing in here is angel eyes. Are you flipping kidding me? Okay. Are you kidding me, BOXYCHARM? Another eyeshadow primer base. I don't use these. I couldn't have planned that better if I tried. Did you see where that landed? Okay, I'll stop being dramatic. This is from True and Luscious Infused with Rose Extract Angel Eyes Eyeshadow Primer / Base. Something that is completely pointless because I don't use these. Yeah, well, whatever. I'll swatch it for you guys, but ugh, this is so frustrating. It kind of just looks like a concealer. It's really thick. I don't know, whatever. That's that. A hydrating eye primer that locks in your eyeshadow and concealer for crease-proof, no smudge wear for up to 16 hours. A tinted formula that corrects redness and creates an even canvas that intensifies the vibrancy of powder and cream eyeshadows. And it's $22. Can I just say, like, don't you think there are people with BOXYCHARM that put together our boxes that should know what we just previously got, like 2 months ago? I got an eyeshadow primer 2 months ago. I use it, I've maybe used it like 3 times, but why would they do the same thing? Like, that's different from, I feel like you can never have too many like eyeshadow palettes or too many lip glosses or something like that. But why send an eyeshadow primer that takes forever for it to get used? Like, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm done ranting. Moving on. This is from Item Beauty. Quip Stick Moisturizing Lip Color. Oh, here we go. I feel like I'm gonna cry. It looks to be in the color Heartbreaker, which it kind of looks very orange / red, and we all know I do not like those colors. Oh my gosh, seriously? So far, 2 things I will not be using. So frustrating. What does it say about this? Item Beauty by Addison Rae. Who's Addison Rae? I have no idea. Quip Stick Moisturizing Lip Color, and it's $16. I don't even want to swatch it because I probably will be getting rid of this because I will never wear it. So that's what it looks like. This makes me really frustrated because if you guys saw my video last month, they sent me a concealer that was like 5 shades too dark for me. So it's like, do they even know what they're doing? Do they even read our profiles that we fill out? And like I say on there, I don't like dark colors. I like nudes. I like pinks. Like, it's really frustrating. So I took a break from BOXYCHARM a while ago, and I'm feeling like I might need to take another break before. This looks to be from Earth Harbor. Can't even tell you what it is. Nebula and Adaptogen Clarity Amp. I don't even know what this is. I don't know what this is. Okay, it looks to be a skincare. I think it's a skincare. I really have no clue what it is. We will get into it in a second. It looks to be like some kind of oil. Maybe it's a facial oil. Okay. It really doesn't have a smell. All right, I have to see what this says. Earth Harbor Naturals. The answer to finding peaceful energy and the light within your skin. Both a potent clarifying treatment and a gentle glow enhancing elixir. This ampoule, what is that? Is a featherlight flash absorbing formula specifically designed to help distressed skin prone to acne, blemishes, and excess oil. And it retails for $46. Okay, I have to look this up because I don't know what that is. Ampoule is a sealed glass capsule containing a liquid, especially a measured quantity, ready for injecting. What? I'm so confused. What are you? I guess it's just like some kind of face serum. Face elixir. Glow enhancing elixir. Okay, well, let's put some on. Like, I'm kind of afraid to put it on my face. Let's see what it feels like. Okay, so yeah, it's definitely like an oil. Very, very oily. Directions. Apply 2 or more drops to your skin after cleansing and toning as needed. Massage in until absorbed for a daily skincare cocktail. Add 2 or more drops to any Earth Harbor serum or moisturizer morning and night. Okay, so you can put it with your moisturizer. I don't know. I'm all about trying different skincare stuff. This one just seems a little weird, and the name is very odd to me, but oh man. I'm sorry if this is your first video you're watching of mine. Next thing I'm seeing in here, oh my gosh, another mascara. Just got a mascara last month. I am not happy with this month. Okay, this is just the Tarte Lights, Camera Lashes, black mascara. I'm sure everyone has seen this before. It's just a black mascara. I'm so annoyed. So this retails for $24. I really don't need to say anything. 4-in-1 mascara. Okay. Okay, last but not least, it looks to be an eyeshadow palette. Wander Beauty, Sweet Escape. Okay, now this is pretty. This is really pretty. Okay, they may have just redeemed themselves. This is beautiful. Okay, I'm happy with the palette. These purple colors, holy moly, those are so pretty. And oh my gosh, that one right there. Okay, these are really pretty. So basically, let's see, what does it say about this? Wander Beauty Sweet Escape Palette. Send yourself on a sweet escape with this perfectly curated collection of matte and shimmering neutral and bold shades. And this actually retails for $42. So technically, I paid $30 for the box. And I'm happy with overall like two of the products, because the mascara is like a half and the oil is like a half. The other two I'm disappointed with. I'm sorry I'm being negative. Okay, let's just do a couple little swatches. I'm not gonna try anything on or anything. Let's try In the Clouds, On Holiday, Sweet Dreams, and Frequent Flyer. Okay, I do want to try Carry On. Ooh, it's darker than I was expecting. Okay, well, I would have to say that I think the palette redeemed this box. I was very disappointed with the lip color. It's probably my least favorite. And the eyeshadow primer is, I probably have enough eyeshadow primer to last me the rest of my life because I never use it. I'm gonna go through and add everything together and see what this box is worth. In my opinion, it's worth about $10. So apparently this box retails for $150. Yeah. I honestly don't have anything else to say. I'm a little disappointed with this box. There's really nothing I'm too excited about. So just gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sorry if I was a little Debbie Downer, but I'm just being honest. All right, you guys, let me know what you got in your boxes. Does BOXYCHARM do the same thing to you guys? Like, did they not listen to your profiles? And do they not pay attention to what you've gotten in the past? I mean, that just seems silly to me. They should know. Rant over. All right, you guys, I hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you all next time. Bye.